Today, we are going to use the tool which is free for initial use. We get some free credits to see its features. The name of that tool is Blue Willow. There are two ways to sign up, one using its own website and another is using the Discord app.
This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop.
Let's sign up using its own website, which is bluewillow.ai. Let's try now for free. Let me enter the full name and email address. Now click Next. Now click on Accept Invite to join the Discord app. Okay, so we need to create the password now. Let's enter email ID and password. Click on Next. We need to verify the email address. You might not get an email right away. Sometimes it takes 5 to 10 minutes. I have opened my email already. It took 5 minutes for me. Continue to Discord. Okay, so my email is now verified. It has some roles to agree with. Now, this is the Blue Willow AI user interface in the Discord app. I believe the user interface of other AI image generator tools like Midjourney AI and Leonardo AI will also look like this when you add them in the Discord. We need to answer some questions. Let's skip them. But wait, don't skip this part because before moving any further, I'm going to tell you something very serious, and that is AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 2 hours AI workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Okay, so now let's get back to the video. So it is just free for the first 25 images, then we will need to subscribe. Let's take mark and next read and agree to server rules. Click finish. Discord has Blue Willow AI rookie servers which is common and open to all so that people from across the world use it to create AI images. These beautiful images are created by giving a command along with the prompt. We are currently in the Rookie 24 server. Let's check other Rookie servers. Okay, so you must be a member for at least 10 minutes to send messages. In the meantime, let's create our own server that will be our separate space where nobody can enter. Enter a server name. Now, imagine is a command to create an image. It is not appearing, which means our server is not activated with Blue Willow AI yet. We can go through getting started guide to understand how it works. I have already gone through the guide so that you don't have to. Now, I waited for 10 minutes and currently I am in a rookie server. Blue Willow bot should be available in order to use the imagine command. Now let's try the imagine command. Type /imagine and select the command that appears. Then write the prompt to create an image. I am asking here to create a beautiful bird image in Pixar style, 3D. We have to wait for a few seconds or minutes depending on the server's load. Since we are in the common server, we will have to find our image because others are also creating their images parallelly. Here we go. This is our image. Now let's move Blue Willow AI to our own server. /imagine command is still not appearing. So in order to activate our own server, we need to go to Blue Willow AI first. And then now click on Blue Willow bot, add a server, select a server, continue, authorize. Now our server is ready to use. Now we can see our server has Blue Willow bot added. Now we are in our own personal space where only we can create images. Let's give a prompt to create an image. Create a 3D image of Sachin Tendulkar in cricket uniform, Pixar style. Wait for the image to generate. It gives 4 versions of images at a time. Version 1, version 2, version 3 and version 4. When we click on any version, it generates another 4 versions of that selected type. When you want to save an image, you need to upscale it. I have already tried upscaling U4, which I feel is not good. So I'm selecting it as U1. Now I have my image ready. Just click on the image and then right click and save. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. And also don't forget to join our workshop. The link is in the description below.